first meeting. Is that what you wanted? A play toy.
Are they just playing?
I think so. I hope so.
I should be hissing.
Your tail's fine.
Oh.
He's getting tired though.
Oh.
Oh no! Are you guys? Self.
Oh.
He's so tired he can't even stand.
Are you gonna hurt him?
No. Believe me, if she wanted to hurt him, she would have hurt him by now. Alright, come here, puppy.
Come here. Come on.
Hi. I'm tired.
Get
Can
off
I have my
tail.
pillow?
Should I go get her the other one, Mom?
No.
To think we almost got two. Can you imagine?
Mhm. Okay, are you done now? Let's play. Come on, I'm gonna go this way. Ring around. Oh, look. Dad. Oh, that's not fair, Belle.
That's not fair.
Belle, that's so not fair. How did you do that? How did you get up? Where are the steps? Hey, where are you? How'd you get up there? How did you get up there? I don't know how to get up there. Alright, all done.